So hey guys, let's troubleshoot this issue of suddenly there is no sound from your sound system. So first we get to the settings and search for the mixer. So here we have this sound output which shows our three output devices. First is speaker, second is the monitor built-in audio speaker, and the third is headphones. So normally I use this headphones. So for to troubleshoot your, so you have to get to the apps which are using these speakers. For more setting we get to the sound system and search. So here we can see that we currently it's selected at headphones. We can convert it to speakers, to this third one HP. And the first rule of thumb is to restart your system. If some apps are not working or there is some sound issue, so then you get to the settings of sound and volume mixer, and here on first search for the output device, cause these speakers comes in the output category, so you have to search it over here. Now we are getting to the advanced troubleshooting steps. So from here on we search for this all sound devices. So we have speaker, headphones, HP, and input devices are headset, my AirPods, and the microphone is which is built in. These two are built in the system. So now my microphone, as you can see, it's working and also showing its processes. So now get to the volume mixer, and here you have also the option that you can select different options. So here on we can see these are the options for your devices using the options for the output. So you have to search specifically which device is creating the problem for you and which app is not getting the output. So I hope you have successfully resolved your sound issue and Windows environment. The environment currently I'm in it's Windows 11. Thank you for watching.